Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this blossom jelly in Fish 8 Roblox. So the blossom jelly is a new creature in Fish 8. It is a legendary tire fish, and you can watch this video if you want to know how you can catch this legendary fish. So first, for the location, you can get it in the Crystal Depths. It is located inside the Pirate Cove. It is a new arena, and as you guys can see, I got the stone mutation for the blossom jelly. And for the roads, I'm using the element roads with the singularity bait, and this is the location where I got the fish, in front of these crystals right here. So you can just follow my guide to get the legendary blossom jelly. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.